A message from a father to his child. Don't live to please the world. Don't please the world to live. Don't give what you can't take. Don't take what you won't give. What you prioritize can be trivial. What you ignore can be essential. Education is not synonymous to success. Your ability to think weighs more than credential. Don't fight in anger, but fight against anger. Weaken your desires in order to become stronger. Don't get hurt by someone's pleasure. Don't take pleasure in someone's hurt. Focus on your goal even if you fall. Don't give up, make more effort. Your pleasure is temporary. Your pain is temporary. But to treat them as equals is not something ordinary. Be just if you want justice. Don't try to judge others. Uphold the truth at any cost, even if it is against your brothers. Be respectful to your parents, but don't follow them blindly. Use your senses to arrive at a conclusion, but assert your opinion kindly. Discover your qualities, chisel your abilities. The more you are bestowed with, the more will be the responsibilities. Doesn't matter whether you are white or brown. Life isn't a circus, so don't be a clown. Be righteous and strong, but also remember, it is okay to have an emotional meltdown. Burn to learn, don't hesitate. But be original, don't imitate. Study in order to gain knowledge, not just to be a graduate. Do not die with the fear of death. Introspect yourself, know your worth. If you want to refine this personality, leave the desire for comfort. Profusion of confusions that the society creates. Take decisions, make mistakes, but be prepared to rectify them. Discover yourself whatever it takes. You have been bestowed with the final message of God. If you are laid low by doubt, give certainty to your thought. Don't let the distractions tempt. Turn your weakness into your strength. The purpose of your life defines you. Life isn't measured by its length. Improve yourself every day, whatever it costs, whatever it takes. Be strong enough to fight the wrong, but be humble enough to accept your mistakes. Question your intention before any action. Your character is your thoughts' reflection. Where you find happiness can be a distraction. Trace your soul to get satisfaction. Different personalities offer a striking contrast, but you are a rational human being at last. Your thoughts and actions describe you, not your race, boundaries, or caste. Use the truth to refine the intellect. Use the intellect to find the truth. Challenging the regime is extremely challenging. The system's transition can never be smooth. Trust your mind more than the eyes. The sun neither sets nor does it rise. Before taking actions, think and analyze. The truth you believe in can be a pack of lies. If you have all the comforts, don't consider yourself privileged. The test of life is easy for those who are deprived and oppressed. Loud isn't always powerful. Meek isn't always weak. The brain limits your actions or unties the competence of physique. Specify your objective and decide whom you want to please. Do what is right even if you are alone. Motivation can be derived from the critique. Never make a decision in anger or delight. Stand by the truth with all your might. Your life is a trial, keep that in mind. Even if you lose, continue to fight.